My name is Dr. Eric McGoldrick. I am the current Orthopedic Medical Director for St. Joseph Hospital and the former Vice Chief of Staff for the hospital. Humboldt is in a great advantage in terms of other rural communities because we have fellowship-trained surgeons in almost every field. And so to have that area of specialty and expertise in a rural hospital is unique. So we're excited to have Dr. Haight here. She's 10 years out of her practice and has been running a highly efficient total joint practice in a major metropolitan area of Sacramento, and will be able to carry that experience here to provide advanced orthopedic care for joints, including same-day joint surgery, so you can have your knee replacement, your hip replacement, and go home to your house the same day.
My name is Haight. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in hip and knee replacements. In medical training, everyone goes to medical school, and then most people these days will subspecialize. I did a year-long fellowship in hip and knee replacement at Stanford. Part of my fellowship training means that I can do very complex joint replacement surgeries. I can do revision surgeries. So if you've had a joint replacement that you're having some trouble with in some way, I can do that over again. And I think that's a service that this community really needs. My philosophy is to find out from each patient what they want to be able to do and what they're limited currently from doing, and figure out what I can do for them that will get them back to doing what they're doing. And maybe it's an injection, and maybe it's a medication, and maybe it's physical therapy, and maybe it's a knee replacement or a hip replacement. And those things might be different for every patient.
The benefits of having a surgery performed locally, if you have any type of complications or questions or anything like that, having your surgeon blocks away versus hours away is a huge advantage for you. Just being able to have your local support system, when you're recovering from your joint, is a huge advantage. And so being very close to your surgeon, close to the office, and close to your family and support system, I think makes your outcome a lot better.
Professionally, I love being in a smaller practice, a smaller environment. And I love the collegiality of just a smaller group. Everybody here who works together have excellent professional relationships, but they also interact on a social basis. So that's been fabulous.
Being an orthopedic surgeon is a very rewarding experience. It's very easy to see your positive influence in the community, and it's really, I think, one of the premier locations to do orthopedics.